Welcome. If you're wondering how much space you have left in your Google Drive or curious about what's taking up all that storage, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the quickest way to check your Google Drive storage usage, step by step, using the Google Drive app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, just head over to your App Store and download it for free. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open up the main menu. Next, scroll down the menu until you see an option labeled Storage. Go ahead and tap on Storage. This is where you'll find all the details about your Google Drive usage. On the storage screen, you'll see a clear breakdown of how much storage you've used and how much you have left. Google Drive gives most users 15 gigabytes of free space to use across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Here, you'll see exactly how much of that allowance you're using. You'll also notice a list of your files and folders, sorted by size. This makes it easy to spot the largest files taking up space. If you see anything you no longer need, you can tap on it and delete it directly from this screen to free up more storage. Remember, files in your trash still count toward your storage limit until they're permanently deleted. So, if you're running low on space, don't forget to empty your trash as well. And that's it. In just a few taps, you can keep track of your Google Drive storage and manage your files more efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.